Okay, we are ordering the pizza for tonight, Sunday night, but I do want to show you how to try the viral Domino's pizza and how to order it through the app. Super simple. You can call it in, same exact thing. It has to be the handmade pan pizza. That's Domino's deep dish. So again, handmade pan pizza. And the cheapest option, honestly, is going to be using their coupon code. Carry out special, 2 medium pizzas, $6.99 each pizza, starting price. And then once you add more toppings, it does add up a little bit. But anyway, let me show you here. So right here, I have a 12-inch medium handmade pan. In the app, it gives you all the sauces right here. You're gonna do garlic Parmesan sauce. So I have that, normal. And then cheese, you're actually gonna add extra cheese for the viral pizza. And then the meats right here, meats or veggies, we're gonna stay on meats for the viral pizza. And we're gonna do beef, bacon, and Philly steak. So again, 3 toppings, beef, bacon, and Philly steak, and we're gonna add that to the coupon. I am also gonna show you a upgrade to the viral pizza, and that is gonna be my second one right here, which is going to be honey barbecue sauce as your sauce, premium chicken, pineapple, and bacon. It is slap your mama really good. So let's see how much this comes out to be. And by the way, all Domino's are not the same. And what do I mean by that? Let me go ahead and skip this. All right, so our viral pizza came out to be $11.99 with the coupon. Again, they start at $6.99, but once you start adding handmade pan, a couple toppings, then it does add up, but not bad for $11.99 pizza. And then my upgrade one is gonna be a $10.49, and that's gonna be the honey barbecue sauce. So I got 2 medium deep dish pizzas for $23.63 with tax. But what I was saying with Domino's, not all Domino's are the same. My Domino's, the one that I currently always go to, makes the best slice of pie in the area where I am. I've tried other ones as well, and I guess it just depends on who's making it. But my Domino's, the one I'm gonna be picking this up at, does an absolutely fantastic job. So let's go grab it, show you what they look like, and we'll do a taste test. Well, their sign is kind of like not lit properly, but we, my friends, are here. Domino's. Alrighty, folks, we're gonna start with the viral Domino's pizza. Again, this is the handmade pan. It comes in a black cardboard box. This pizza in particular, not this particular one, but the handmade pan dough had me re-fall in love with Domino's. I did not like Domino's before, but now I like it again. Again, this is the viral Parmesan cheese, extra cheese, bacon, beef, and Philly cheese. We're gonna start with this one first. Nice little texture to it. Again, nice and thick. Bottom is looking absolutely beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and lay that on down right there. We'll grab a couple slices of these, and we will let you know how those bad boys taste. Very, very delicious. And then we'll show you, of course, the upgraded model. And a little trick for you if you don't know about this yet, put your oven on keep warm so you don't have to microwave in between slices, and don't set it out because hot pizza is so much better. And then for reheating, air frying, top down, absolutely wonderful. Just air fry your pizza to reheat it. Okay, second slice in, and this viral pizza, that's the reason why it went viral. It's delicious. The only thing that some people might not like is that it is a very doughy pizza. As you can see here, it's just kind of like literally falling apart. It's delicious, but if you like it a little bit more well done, then just get it well done so the crust is a little bit more crispier, but this again is a beautiful slice of pie. Okay, now this is the upgraded one. If you like a different type of flair to it, same exact dough. This is the handmade pan, and this is premium chicken. So you have big old beautiful chunks of chicken, pineapple, bacon, again with a barbecue sauce. Everything is normal, sauce is normal, cheese is normal, and it gives you kind of a little bit of a Hawaiian flair to it, but with that barbecue sauce, it hits. And it hits really, really good. Again, I think this is a little bit more crispier, as we can see from the other slice. Because of not so much cheese on it, it still drips, but I can already feel that the crust is a little bit crispier on the bottom. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you. That Parmesan viral Domino's pizza, that hit. That was no joke, probably a good 9.5 slice of pizza. This is also absolutely fantastic, but the viral one might be my new favorite. It is really good, but this one is also absolutely fantastic. Alrighty, quick summary. We got I'm gonna just call it the Chris's Slap Your Mama Barbecue Bacon Pineapple Chicken. We're gonna go a solid 8.8. It definitely was a crispier underneath. If you like a little bit more doughier, then the Parmesan one's gonna rock. This was a good slice. But the winner of tonight's is the 9.5 Viral. It's definitely a great slice. It deserves its reign on top. Stay tuned for the vlogs because I have another upgraded Domino's handmade pan, which I really love as well. But this is now my favorite.